Alright guys, thank you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anthony, and in this video I'm going to be showing you some online skills which you can acquire in the year 2024. Alright, so if you really want to make money in the year 2024 online, I'm going to be showing you 4 businesses you can start online. So these are 4 online businesses you can start and make money in the year 2024. And the good thing is that you don't need to start any capital. Okay, it requires you with zero capital. Like, you don't need any money for you to start these online businesses. The only thing you do is just to get some training, get educated, and then you start practicing some of these skills. And the good thing is that they are very very easy. It requires no coding. Okay, so if this is what you're interested in, all you have to do right now is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button, and also like this video. And in case if you have any question, just go to the comment section and also ask me questions. I will try as much as possible to reply. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first skill which you can actually learn in the year 2024 and make money by yourself is video editing. Alright, so let me just add it on the slideshow. So this is it, video editing. Okay, so the good thing is that you can learn video editing and it is very easy. Alright, so this is it, video editing. Now, one good thing about video editing is that you don't need too much skills in coding, and another thing is that you don't need too much capital. All you need is just to get the softwares needed. Okay, so in case if you are using your smartphone, you can look for applications like Canva. You can look for CapCut, InShot, Viva Video. All these are applications which you can download and edit your videos. So if you want to use your system, maybe your PC, and all you have to do is just to download softwares like DaVinci Resolve. You also need Adobe Premiere Pro for those who are using software. So video editing is very lucrative. If you ask me, it is very very lucrative, and the good thing is that you can even charge your clients depending on the amount you want to charge, because as a new beginner we advise you to start from a little. All right, so another thing is that you can also learn video animation as well. Video editing and video animation, you need to learn these two. All right, especially video animation. Okay, so it is better you learn these two. So that's the first skill you need to acquire. So next thing is that where can you learn video editing? You can actually learn it through YouTube, and there are other online courses out there. You can go to Coursera and get some of the courses on video editing, and then you can learn them by yourself. It is very lucrative, and this year 2024, a lot of people are looking for video editors, YouTubers, bloggers, companies out there, individuals, those who are into skits, those who are doing content creation, those who are doing influencing and all of that. A lot of people are demanding for video editors, so you can actually meet up with your skill and start earning from that. So the next one is digital marketing. Yeah, the reason why I added digital marketing is because I'm also a digital marketer. So I know how lucrative digital marketing is, because every business owners wants to boom their business, grow their business, and the only way they can do that is to advertise, to market their business. And the good thing is that digital marketing makes it very easy. With digital marketing, you can target the right audience, grow your sales, generate leads. But traditional marketing, you don't do that. So that's the reason why many business owners are looking for digital marketers. And the good thing is that you too can learn digital marketing. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing, you can actually go to the comment section and indicate. I'm going to drop my email address in case if you want to learn digital marketing. And I also have a free consultation on digital marketing for those who want to learn them, and also I have a online video course for those that want to learn digital marketing. So digital marketing is more like advertising people's goods and services using the online space. So you are advertising using the online space. So that's digital marketing. So there are so many types of digital marketing. We have affiliate marketing, we have search engine optimization, we have email marketing, we have social media marketing, we also have content marketing, information marketing, network marketing, CPM marketing. There are a lot of digital marketing skills out there. So we can actually learn the basic, the most important one. So for me, I would advise you to put more effort on social media marketing, information marketing, and content marketing. Okay, so these are the three um, best digital marketing skills you can actually acquire. So digital marketing is very important so that you can actually advertise people's goods and services. And the good thing is that it is profitable. You can charge them, and you can also work as a digital marketer anywhere. You can work as a freelancer. You don't necessarily need to get a job as a digital marketer. Okay, so you can have up to 10, 20 clients every single month. It is very profitable, guys. So learn digital marketing. Now another one is virtual assistant services. Virtual assistant services, you can do it. Like, it is not even difficult. Even if you didn't attend to school, you can do virtual assistant services. So what is virtual assistant? Now virtual assistant is more like helping business owners out there to handle their social media pages, their emails, you know, help them post, help them book an appointment. There are a lot of business owners who don't have time to call their customers. So you can actually call their customers. You can help them in sending newsletters to their customers' email, helping them send bulk SMS messages to their customers, and also help them to post on their social media handle. Okay, even to help them write content on their blog. These are simple things anybody can do. You understand? You can also help them to settle appointments, help them in booking consultation and all of that. These are the things you can do as a virtual assistant. In case if they are looking for someone that will help them do copywriting or something like that, you can actually do them. Okay, it requires no skills. Like, anyone can do it. Okay, that's virtual assistant. And the good thing is that you don't need them to employ you. You can do it as a self-employed person, and you can also charge them. So you can charge them for like depending on the country where your clients are coming from. Okay, so the way you charge people from United States is totally different from the way you charge people from China or India or Nigeria or South Africa or Pakistan. It depends on the country. If the person is from these first world countries like US, Canada, you can charge them per hour, like $5 per hour. Okay, and if you charge them like $5 per hour, they will likely hire you, because most people from that country, they charge $20, $10 per hour. So it is good you learn virtual assistant and also set up your plan, know the things that you can handle, promote them, and you start getting clients from there. So the last one is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is under digital marketing, but the reason why I want to stress more on affiliate marketing is because it is something that many people are cashing out from. Yeah, affiliate marketing is something that a lot of people are cashing out from. But the thing is that affiliate marketing is not for people that are lazy. I have to be honest. Like, it is not for people that are lazy. You have to be hardworking. You need to put more effort. Okay, so affiliate marketing is when you promote people's goods and services online using your affiliate link. And whenever someone makes a purchase using your affiliate link, you get a commission from it. So look at this diagram right here. Okay, so you place your affiliate link to your customers or your websites or wherever, and after that, the customers or your audience are going to visit the website. So when they visit the website, they make a purchase, which is called a conversion. And when the conversion is being done, you get your commission. So that is how you get paid. So for you to get paid, you have to use your affiliate link, because every website that offers affiliate network or any affiliate program, they normally issue out an affiliate link. It is through that affiliate link they can track in the sign-ups, the clicks, the conversion, and everything. And it is also through that affiliate link that they are going to give you your commission. So they can give you a commission based on percentage, or they give you a fixed commission. So they can give you a commission of 5%, 10%, 20%, depending on the platform that you are using. So they can also give you a fixed commission, like if someone makes a purchase, they're not going to give you based on percentage. They're going to give you a fixed amount. Let me take, for example, Bluehost. Bluehost is the hosting company, and in case if you're registered as an affiliate, they're going to give you an affiliate link. Anyone that buys their domain and hosting using your affiliate link, you only get $65. So there's nothing like percentage. Each conversion gives you $65. Unlike platform like Amazon, where if someone makes a purchase, they'll give you 5%, 10%, or 20% of what is being purchased. So That's how affiliate marketing works. So if you want to make it big with affiliate marketing, um, you need to look for high paying commission. Okay, commissions that are very high. All right, so that's what you need to do, and also make sure that the product are in high demand. So that is what you have to do for you to earn very well on affiliate marketing. So these are the four ways you can actually make money online in the year 2024 without investing anything. The most important thing is just to learn these skills, and then you apply your own strategy, and from there you can start making money using the online space. So I'm going to be doing a video from each of these skills. Video editing, I'm going to do a video on it. I'm going to do a video on digital marketing. I'm also going to do a video on virtual assistant, and I'm also going to do a video on affiliate marketing. I'm also going to show you how you can actually get clients. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you all these things on my YouTube channel. Okay, from tomorrow I'm going to be showing you. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get updated. Okay, so subscribe, hit the bell button, and also like this video as well. So I'm going to be showing you all these things and how you can actually get clients that will pay you. So thank you very much, guys, and see you in the next video.